Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to export high quality images from PhotoRoom. So let's get started. First, open the PhotoRoom application on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within it, tap on the content icon given at the bottom right. It shows the list of your prior editing completed photos. You can choose any photo that you want. As you choose it, it opens the editor. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can just edit the background, text, layers and so on. Once you are done with the editing, tap on Save or Export button. After tapping Save or Export button, PhotoRoom opens a page called Ready to Share. Within it, you will see several options like Save to My PhotoRoom, Save to Camera Roll, Create Video, Share Image, Send Link, and Export in SD. The Export in SD allows you to download the image in high resolution, but it requires a paid room plan. If you have already paid it, you can just tap on it and download it. But if you are using the free version, Save to Camera Roll is the best option for exporting your image quickly and easily, and that's how you can export high images from PhotoRoom. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.